Yeah, I wanted to show you this handle down configuration for the Winkler Spike. It's an odd way to carry a knife, but with these sheaths you have a high retention. It doesn't fall out by any means. I wear it all the time, every night, and it's turned out to be the best way to carry this fixed blade knife. It's really nice right there, and then you've got good grip on the knife right away in your left hand. And of course you can put it right back in. Sure wouldn't want to stab yourself right here, but that's why you have to be careful. There is danger involved with this stuff, so be careful. And I just wanted to show you guys that, along with the MOLLE connector. That's something you want to ask for when you're dealing with these large duty belt type belts. It turns out that this MOLLE connector that's part of the sheath system works out really good for this type of a configuration. So that's that.